Hi guys, happy Teddy Day. Let's prepare Teddy shaped pizza. Take one sliced bread and cut it into a round shape. Then take another sliced bread and cut it into a small round and then cut it into half. Use smaller half for ears and then fix it with toothpick. First spread tomato sauce and then mayonnaise. Then place onion, capsicum, tomato and corn. Then sprinkle salt and place cheese. Use pepper for eyes and nose. Then sprinkle pepper powder and chili flakes and bake it. Enjoy, like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.